English Listening Test for Kids, Level 1, Test 6.
One.
What do you want to eat?
I want a hamburger, please.
What do you want to eat?
I want a hamburger, please.
2.
What is the boy doing?
He is eating.
What is the boy doing?
He is eating.
3.
What is the weather like today?
It is stormy.
What is the weather like today?
It is stormy.
4.
How old is the girl?
She is 6 years old.
How old is the girl?
She is 6 years old.
5.
How many chairs are there?
There are 6 chairs.
How many chairs are there?
There are 6 chairs.
6.
What is she doing?
She is running.
What is she doing?
She is running.
7.
I have 3 bananas, 1 apple and 1 carrot. I have 3 bananas, 1 apple and 1 carrot.
8.
How many squares are there?
There are 4 squares.
How many squares are there?
There are 4 squares.
9.
It's a fruit. It's yellow. It's sour. It's a lemon. It's a fruit. It's yellow. It's sour. It's a lemon.
10.
What vegetable do you like?
I like eggplants.
What vegetable do you like?
I like eggplants.